Hi everybody, this week video will be a little angel. First we will cast on the 22 needle ADDI Pro for the first row. When you've done the first row, you will be able to crank just like this now. So I start with yellow. It will be the hair of my little angel. Time to change to the pink. The real name for the color is Seashell by Bernat Satin. I do a knot, double knot, and then I crank. I will give you the recipe after. Time to change again. Open the yarn feeder. And switch to the white from Bernat Premium, white sparkle from Bernat Premium. So I do a double knot and then I will continue. So time to switch back to the pink. Attach it. Double it and continue for the rest of the row, and then I will cast off from the machine. To cast off you will need a wool needle. Mine have a flexible part on it and it's very easy to use, so my favorite one. So time to cast off, and I will go and grab the stitch just next to the tail of the yarn that I finished with. I go to the next one and next one. Make sure you grab all the stitches. So for the head I did 10. Actually I didn't do 10 right away. I did 3 yellow and 7 pink, but the recipe is 10 pink, 40 white, and 10 pink. So if you want to do with the yellow hair, you just do 3 and 7, 3 yellow and 7 of pink. But really it's 10, 40, 10. So put that aside. And now I did the cast on with the waste yarn. I use some blue, and now I will do the white sparkle, and now I'm doing the wing for the little angel. So I go fast because you already seen how to do it in the beginning, and time to remove. And just if you're new and you don't know what is waste yarn it's the at least 5 rows or 3 rows that we do on a project, and it will help us to close the tube at the end, and we will remove that yarn. So that's why it's very important to use a contrasting yarn when you use it to close. So time to cast off. Grab all the stitches one by one. Make sure you don't lose any, because it's not fun when you lose one. So put that aside. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Very important. There. Very sparkle. It's very nice. Will be nice on my Christmas tree this year. So it was 5 waste yarn and 20 white. So I will continue by closing. I use a crochet number 5 on it, and I go grab 1 stitch each side. Oh la la, each side. Oh. I was with French people all day, so it's kind of rough tonight to speak English, especially to myself. But I will do my best. Sorry for that. It's actually 1:45 a.m. but I don't give up. I will continue. So I grab 1 stitch each side till I get to the end. Make sure you grab all the stitches because you don't want any drop stitch. And close with it, close with the tail. Time to remove the waste yarn. Sometimes waste yarn is very easy to remove and sometimes it's not. So I find the first row on the top and I will remove it. When it's like this, it's actually the cast on the machine that we remove. So that was the first part. So you remove the first row like this and then you just pull and it will be easy to remove. Ta-da! All gone and the stitches all cute. So stretch again and then you pull and that will be the top of your wing. We'll close it just by pulling on the tail of yarn. Do a double knot on it. Make sure it's tight. And then you'll be able to hide this little tail here. And this little angel could be nice on the top of a tree, a small tree. I just think about that because I'm watching it in front of my eyes and put my voice on the video, but could be nice on the top of a little tree. So I will go with my yarn and my wool needle like this, grab, stitch like every 3 rows, and then keep it, I stretch it, not stretch it, but pull on it, and then I will hold it and put a double knot to keep it all together like that. So put my little wing aside. Time to close the head of my little angel. I cut those tails too long, but don't cut it too short because you will sometimes it could not be secure if it's too short. So I pull on the string, not the string but the yarn, and then I will do a double knot to close it. Do that on the other side. Bring back your wool needle and do the same thing. Put that inside like this. The same way that you do a hat, a double layer hat. And I will go with my yarn needle, go right in the middle and find the other one, other side in the middle and attach it together like this. Cut it. Hide it in the middle. Boop, it's gone. Stretch again with my hands. Make sure everything is stretched enough, and I will go every 2 stitches like this around the tube to create the head. There. And go to the other side. Like this. You stay on the same line, the same row, and bring the little stuffing. I roll it like this to do like a little ball shape and put that inside. I will pull on it to do the neck and put my finger to hold the knot and go the other side and do the same thing. Tighten it and attach it and put those tails inside the little angel to hide it. There. Got it. Pull and it's gone. Oh, time to do the arms, but in the video I did the wings first, but actually on the second one I did the arms first. It was easier, but I did that way for the video, so at least you know 2 versions of how to do it. So now I pick right in the neck and I go again in the neck to go back and grab the wings. Almost say wig. It's not the same thing at all. Oh no, no, better go to bed soon. So I attach it in the neck, and I will go and do a knot here to secure it. I will hide this little piece. There was like a little bit of yarn that was like not in the right place, and hide it inside of it. And I will go and hide those tail of yarn inside the wings. Ta-da! Time to do the arms. To do the arms, I go straight in the same column. I will go closer like this. I go in the back, in the front, in the back, in the front. Pull on it, and I go around the ends like this. Come back on it, and I will go up again to reach where I start to attach those two tails to do a knot. There. That's why I did differently for the second one, but at least you could see. I do the double knot, and I will hide it between the two there. Voila. Cut it, and cut it again. And I will do the same thing on the other side to make arms the other side. So I stay on the same column. I'm going down and go in front, in the back, in front, in the back, and I will do the hands. To do the hands, I go just around it like this and pull a little bit tight. Come back, up, and follow the same column. Go in the back, reach the other tail, attach both together, double knot, and it will give you a nice shape for your little angel. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will do another one next week, and never give up. And when you get up in the morning, always think something very wonderful will happen to you. Sometime it will help to have a great day. So see you next week. Ciao ciao. Ta-da!